Those are tiny baby coconuts. I'm gonna repair this. I came without my drill. Well, actually one of my drill is down and the other one got stolen. So I will cut this out, take this off, cut out the screw, and do the same down there on the bottom. I'm gonna cut that out too. Same on the bottom. Then I'm gonna rip a piece for here. I already have it scribed. So now I just gotta set the depth of the saw blade. This is the key right here to unlock. And this is your depth guide right there. And this looks like it's 3/4. So I'll do maybe 7/8, just a smidge. To give clearance. Because I'm gonna just chuck it on the ground. Due to the fact that I didn't bring stuff to get it out of the mud. See that right there? That little thing? I haven't been doing a good job of keeping the metal clean. Here in Central America, the temperature, the atmosphere, there's a lot of stuff in the atmosphere that cause the stuff to rust at a rapid pace. So you see that little white thing there? That's the guide to tell you where you at. So I'm between 3/4 and 1 inch. And there you have it. When you're ripping, this is a herb. Baby coconuts.